Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning,
Good morning,
Miss. We are good,
Miss.
Miss.
I'm fine, Miss.
I'm good, Miss.
Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's check the attendance first. Jenny.
Yes, present, Miss.
Okay. Dinda.
Yes, I'm here, Miss.
Okay, great. Everyone is here. Now, how are you today? Ready for some math?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Ready.
Okay, thank you. Glad to hear that. Today we are going to chat a bit about cherries and squats. Don't worry, it is not as scary as it sounds. Um, before before next the material, waiting for a minute. Okay, everyone, look my PPT.
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Miss. I see.
Okay, thank you. Okay, first definition of square. Basically, a square is just a list of numbers that follow a specific pattern. Uh, you can see the example in this, and each number in the square is called a term. Okay. Next, the square notation. The square is usually written term 1, term 2, term 3 until term n. And squares have two types. First, arithmetic square and geometric square. In definition of arithmetic square is squares with constant difference. For example, you can see this. Um, Next, the arithmetic squares formula. The square is usually written term n equal a plus n minus 1 times b. In information, a equals first term, b equals difference, and n equals many of term. Do you understand, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, good job. Okay, in a example for arithmetic square is equation. Now A equals 2, B equals 3. Define term 5 and go if the answer is 14. Do you understand with this example?
Yes,
Yes, Miss. I
Miss.
understand.
Okay, good job. Okay, next the geometry sequence. A sequence with a constant ratio between terms or R. In a sample, you can see the PPT. Okay, we can next material.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, the next material is geometric square formula. The square is usually written term n equals a times uh, r in bahasa Indonesia is pangkat n minus 1. The information A equals first term, B equals ratio, and N equals many of term. Okay, the example for a geometric square in this equation is now A equals 2, ratio equals 3, define term 4. And the answer is 54. Okay, does that make sense, guys?
Wait, Miss. I don't understand. Um, does any pattern count? Like if I just list random number, Miss?
Okay, great question, Juni. It needs a consistent rule. For example, look at this or squares 2, 5, 8, and 11, 12. Not notice anything, guys?
Oh, Miss. Each number and a tree to the next one, Miss?
Yes, exactly. We call that an arithmetic sequence because of that constant plus 3. Now, Dinda, what if the numbers grow really fast, like 2, 6, 18, and 54?
Okay, Miss. That's nothing adding, right, Miss? It's multiplying by 3?
Hold on, that's a geometric sequence instead of a difference. We call the times 3 a ratio.
I see.
Okay. Um, okay. Next, the material. The series. Okay, first definition of series. A series is the sum of the terms of a square. For example, you can see that. Next, same with the squares, series have two types too. Is the first arithmetic series and two geometric series. And definition for arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. And definition of geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence, namely a sequence that has a constant ratio, a comparison between two consecutive terms. Okay, next. The formula arithmetic series and geometric series. You can see the PPT. In geometric series formula, have two formula if R kurang dari 1 and ratio not equals 1 and formula if the 0 kurang dari R kurang dari 1. Okay. Many have a question for the formula arithmetic series and geometric series?
I think no, Miss, for now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next, the example arithmetic series formula. Equation in this equation is now A equal 2, B equal 3, and N equal 5. Define as 5. And got it, the answer is uh, 50, 50, 40. Sorry, 40. Um, any question for the example?
I think no, Miss.
Okay, you understand with the question, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss, I
Miss.
understand.
Okay, thank you. Next, the example geometric series formula. In the question is now A equals 2, R equals 3, and N equals poor? Define as poor, and I got it. The answer is 80. Okay. Uh, everyone understand, right?
Understand, Miss.
Yes, Miss. I am understand.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, you get the simple, the material, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Before we next for your everyone have a question with the material today?
I think no, Miss, for now.
Yes,
It's
Miss.
too easy.
Okay, thank you. To see how it works in action, let's try a few easy ones from your uh, textbook on page 114, numbers 1 to 5. Don't stress, we'll check them together later. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining the class. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
Yay.